Hello everyone and welcome to PMC Tech. We are installing Microsoft Office 2021. So firstly, you go to your search engine. In my case, I'm using Google, and then you type Office Customization Tool. Click on Office Customization Tool, Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. So my computer is a 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit, then you need to select 32-bit. So I will select 64-bit. Then next, go to Office Suite, then select Office LTS Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. I'll go to Additional Products and select Language Pack. And then when you come here where it says Apps, so here it says 10 apps on or off to include or exclude them from being deployed. So if I don't need Access, I'm going to unselect this one. If I don't need Skype for Business, I'll unselect. Or if I don't need OneNote or PowerPoint, I'm going to unselect. In my case, I do not need Access, but OneNote, I'll leave it. When we go to primary language, I'll select English United States. So you can select the language of your choice and click Next. So here it's saying, where do you want to deploy Office from? So I'll select Office Content Delivery Network CDN, so meaning I'll just leave it as it is and then proceed to Next. So let's say you have any version of Office on your computer. You might need to uninstall, but in my case, I do not have any version. But if you have any version, you might need to keep them turned on. On Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License, select KMS. Unless you have the product key, then you can select MAK. And then you click Next. Click Next and then you click Finish. On the top right corner, click Export, and then on Office, open XML format. You select that. Okay, and then accept the terms in the license agreement and then click Export. After clicking Export, you've managed to download the configuration file, so we can check it in the downloads. So we go there to downloads, check configuration, XML format. There we have it. So the next step is you open a new tab and type Office Deployment Tool. So here I'm going to download this one, which says Download Office Deployment from Official. Click Download, create a new folder. We are going to call it MS Office 2021. So there you have it in Downloads, and copy the configuration file to the new folder. On the deployment file, right-click and then you run as administrator. So you click here to accept the Microsoft license terms and then click Continue. We then select the download folder where our deployment tool is located. The file is extracted successfully. So you click OK. I'll now click on the setup and drag it into my Microsoft Office 2021 folder. You go to Startup menu, type CMD, then you have the command prompt there. You right click on the command prompt and then you run as administrator. Go back to the folder and copy the path. We come back to the command prompt, type CD, that is change directory, then space and paste. You click enter. Okay, and then here now you type setup space, then / configure, then another space, then configuration.xml. Okay, so remember to put a space on setup. So there after setup, take the cursor to the end and click enter. So when we come down here and check, we see that Office is installing in the background. So here in orange, it reads Office is installing in the background. Please do not go offline or restart your computer. Make sure you're still connected to the internet. So please stay online while Office downloads. We will be done in just a moment. So you have to be a little bit patient. Depending on how fast your network is, you will download this as fast as possible. And here we have it. It says you're all set. Office is installed. Now click Start to view your applications. So now you've installed Microsoft Office. So now you can check the applications that you've installed. So we can now close these tabs, or you can just minimize them. In my case, I'll just minimize. Otherwise, there's no harm, you can close them. So now we go to startup menu. There we have Excel, we have Outlook, we have PowerPoint, and then we have Word. So let's try to open Word document and see what we have. Okay, so here it says Microsoft Word isn't your default program for viewing and editing documents. Do you want to? So if you want to select the file types that Word should open, you can either click yes or no. So there you can say do not show this message. So for now, I'm just going to close this. Then we try to open the blank document. Okay, so here we have accept the license agreement. If you read there, it says Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021, and it includes these applications that we have here: MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on and so forth. So you can now click accept to accept the license agreement, and then we can try to type something. Now I am able to use Microsoft Word here just for trials. Then we can close this one. No need to save. Then we can check our PowerPoint. So there you have it. You see that our PowerPoint is perfectly well. Then we come to Excel. Excel also is working okay. Subscribe to the channel and share the video. Bye bye, and see you in the next episode.